Siyabingelela, obingelela umabutho seseseka. Ayibo ngiyaxoxa. Cishe ngathi umabutho seseseka. Ubingelela babudokotela babesizwe bojabule ufana umdla jakhethela ubuzolo amancinisa ngesolo futhi anxolisi. Asibonge bakithi isupport esinayo. Yaqhamuka kubo bonke abantu awazi eSwaziland, eHukweni, wawo umzimba, yenzeka lento kade ngise endaweni yasebathi bathini uNtsoko. A big band. Yes. People, they say, wow. And then comes to border officials. And then they just fail to do their job properly because, babudokotela. Yeah, ngikho msethi babudokotela babesizojabula ngikhulume lento babudokotela usebenzele ePT2 Nedbank House building. Ilelo building lelo liseThekwini lisemgaqweni kuthiwa Corner of Queen Street and Albert Street. Ngicela futhi ukike ngiveze nje lento ayikho inyanga enkulu kunenye if nami mhlazana sengiqhamuka sengizoba mkhulu kunezinye inyanga enkulu kunenye uNkulunkulu umdalo wazo zonke izinto udala inyanga sidalela amathongo ethu sidalela yonke into mase kuzoba ke imuphi yena uNkulunkulu. There are so many gods. Mengithe nje uNkulunkulu the greatest, the supreme God, that is enough because up to you ukuthi wena owakho uNkulunkulu ke ubani ngesiphi isikhathi. Yeah, this is Babu Dokotela babesizojabula. Namhlanje ke ngithatha ithuba elihle engayisolo ngale ngaxolise ngalo ukuthi angenze ama-video. Lama video azoba maningana kodwa ke itopic yethu namhlanje, our theme says bold e-hailing. Lehloko lesikufuza ngabe kade ngakhuluma ngaso ukuthi angeke ngathandi ukuthi ngijumpe ngibe too quick entweni ngingake ngibone ukuthi imizika kusanani. Bengifuna aqale izike kahle lento ye-Bolt mase kushaya isikhathi babudokotela useyikhuluma. Ngikhuluma with maturity, not with the interested ukuthi ngifuna ukuba limelight. Bakithi sikhulume iqiniso, singabelaphi bendabuko, singabelaphi be-Western medicine, singabelaphi babathandazi, sonke siyafana. We are facing same challenge, the challenge that defies all odds. I-challenge yabantu asebe highly and grossly neglected, abantu abanganakiwe, abantu futhi azawasena kwakhohlwa ibona, abantu abaphethwe isifo sokuwa, epilepsy. Laba bantu ke besifo sokuwa kufuna ukuthi sibahlukanise. Labantu besifo sokuwa funa sibahlukanise and siba understand with great conscious ukuthi ubani ophethwe isifo sokuwa. Uma simphethe, how do you know ukuthi uphethwe isifo sokuwa? Kunomuntu ongenaso isifo sokuwa but osewiswa ukuthi walimala. Angiqale phansi. Kunomuntu ongenaso isifo sokuwa osewiswa ukuthi waba ne-fracture ekhanda, walimala ekhanda. Lo muntu loyo ngeke ukwazi ukumlapha. Angiqale phansi. Kunomuntu oxhukayo, oxhukisa ukuthi kade edlala ibhola. Lo muntu ngamasatsha umenze yonke into aphole. But kunomuntu walimala engozini yemoto ofakwe insimbi. Kunomuntu owadutshulwayo kwihip, ibullet estakhe kuyena. Lo muntu akukho umuntu kumilapha. Uyoxhuka aze ayeshona ngoba walimala. Yabo, ukuxhuka kwakhe it because of injury that he or she suffered. Angiyifune ke lento seyisifinyelele la kuthena kubantu besifo sokuwa, rule out the methodology of therapeutic kubantu abalimele. Kubantu abanesifo sokuwa ngoba belimele, laba bantu labana it just have to maintain it. Mase soba nabantu abanesifo sokuwa esinye, I repeat, esinye isifo sokuwa sakhiwa ngesilwane noma ngenyoni ekuthiwa ispero. Mase kufakwa inyoni, igazi lenyoni ekuthiwa igomonqo. Bathatha ispero, ikhanda lalo baligaye, bathathe ikhanda lenyoni ekuthiwa igomonqo noma isilwane ekuthiwa igomonqo, bayigaye lento bayihlanganise mase befaka le mithi ewu3 kuphela. Mase befaka le mithi ewu3 kuphela. Into sebezoyenza ke le mithi lena sebezoyithatha le mithi bayihlanganise mase bephinde futhi balinde ukuthi baze bathole inyoni ewile. Siyawaka ispero. Bazolinda ukuthi bathole leyo nyoni ngesikhathi iwile. Ngesikhathi iwile le nyoni le sebeyibamba ke le nyoni bayayivula la esiswini. Bathele lo muthi lo. Mase beyivule le nyoni bayithathe bokwenza kunemethod efuna ifakwe bayithathe lento beyibeka phezulu kwethuna elingakhonkiwe mase sebeyibekile lenyoni mase bebeka inyama emnyama mase bebeka inyama yenkomo mase bethela umuthi ekuthiwa inyathelo mase kufike kube inyathelo kube lo muthi kodwa oqala ongena kube inyathelo mase kube le mithi u2 ngeyikhohlwa le mithi lo2 mase bevuse lo muntu bethi njengamanje siyakuvusa umuntu wabantu bezizwe kade wafa sekulethele nansi inyama sitheme sibuza sathi ngasithemba ukuthi ungasiyena kusibani ngoba usehluphile ufike uhlale yena uhlale ekhanda umenze yonke into eyenziwa ile nyoni I repeat umenze yonke into eyenziwa ile nyoni lo muntu ke lona ke lespoke lesizovuka uma sivuka lo muntu lona uzombona ejama kanti ubona umuntu amsaba ngendlela eyisimanga uzothi umeke wajama kanjalo sanisishayeke phansi I repeat uma simshaya lesifo sokuwa yena nimbone ebuka odongweni ebuka erufini la ibuka mase iyanqanqanzela mase emva lokho iyamnokha lento yangizwa ukuthi ngithini imisisi iyamnokha lo muntu ke usuke ethunyelelwa wavuselwa ispoki ukumlapha kwakhe akuyona uniformically nokumlapha komunye into yokuqala oyidingayo kuyena udinga ukuthi uthole imnenke about 20-50 yemnenke udraine lamanzi ayo imnenke mase uthola umuthi wamashangane ekuthiwa iPrekesel uphathwa ama-Nigerian ama-Ghanaian asithi nje umuthi wamashangane ule phezulu kodwa nale eThekwini iyatholakala lento uthole iPrekesel mase ke uzothola lento ke le yesithathu ngiyikhohlwa lento yesithathu uyithole isesengadini ngoba itshala lapha ngithole lento le umuthi usuyiguguluda ke uyipheke ke lento nalento ke uyipheke manje lento nalento ke lo muntu loyo ukuwa kwakhe uyakulapha uma ethakathiwe ukuthi lento kufanele isifo sokwa kufuneka sikhulume ngathi manje sifake ande ngasilingani mina vese anda ngiyifake wena nje uzoba nenkinga ukukhuluma ngathi ufake ande ngilingani lokho impintsha ugwayi lo wakho ufunda ukuthatha njalo ake silapheke umuntu onesifo sokuwa ongathakathwanga ongazange limale okhule nalesifo lesi ebuncaneni bakhe 9 years 10 years siyamhlupha lesifo normally those people I repeat let me drink this yazi bantu bakithi ngathi challenge engibhekisa ezinyangeni ngathi ake siqasheni intsha siqasheni abantu abadala letiye leli ngilenzelwe umnomzane ohlonishwayo kwakhe nengane ezu4 nengane ezu5 nengane ezu6 whatever kodwa ngilenzelwe umnomzane ushadile unonkosikazi unomuzi ngokuthi ubengasebenzi ngamthatha ngamsondeza ngamsebenzisa ngamqasha ngasanti ngithe manje angenzela itiye phuza itiye lakhe ingisho ukuthi asibaqasheni abantu asibaqasheni nje abantu ngoba le yethu yobunyanga neemoto lezi ezinkulu ezibizayo ezingenamsebenzi nalesithembu sethu esiningi kangaka eveze kulamba ingane zakhona ake siphume nekulonto asibuyele endlana kulomsebenzi telele ngilenzela wami unkosikazi ulele wami unkosikazi ezami ingane zirelaxile namhlanje sizongelelwa imali yazo ziyahola nazo ilokho ziyahola bakithi angiyikhulume le isifo sokuwa ngifuna khona uzoba ne greater understanding and broader knowledge yasi isifo sokuwa ubone ukuthi ikuphi okwenzekayo ikuphi okungenzeki sinayo thakathiwe sinayo limele nabo banesifo sokuwa sinomuntu ke manje ozalwe naso ke isifo sokuwa this is my understanding and my research proven angisho ukuthi into engishoyo iperfect and nawe ungaqhamuka nawakho ama findings number 1 engiyitholile ebuchopheni bomuntu unama neurocells kuma neurocells unama auxin cells asize kuma neurocells kunama neurocells and neurotubes ama neurotubes somehow they get damaged and they start to leak ama-auxin cells, uma ubhala auxin, axon, axon, axon cells. Ama-axon cells, they don't grow fully kwabanye. Kwabanye they overgrow. Ngalo ndlela ispace esisebuchopheni asenele ukuthi ngabe lama cells angakayana. Then they develop what is called a cyst. I repeat. Ama-auxin cells, they overgrow and they literally develop what is called a cyst ebuchopheni bomuntu. Ngalo ndlela lo muntu loyo often suffer from epilepsy. Usezowake lo muntu. Lo muntu kusezohlushwa isifo sokuwake. And le cyst lena, it keep on growing. Most of the time, laba bantu they die. Bengakafiki ku-40, bengakafiki ku-50. Bebezalwe benale cyst ikhule ekhanda. And bayazama-ke ukuyicontrola nge-epilim. Bayazama ukuyicontrola nge-epilim. Nathi-ke ebunyangeni, we don't have to follow the routine of epilim. The best thing to do is to get ugoloko, a brandy that is more than 40% strength sakhona. Get Percocet. Musu uthola nalento kuthiwa yini lento le? Kunalo muthi lona elamuntu othi ngiphuzite. Ngikhumbuze kunalo muthi thole lo muthi ke loyo. Faka lento ebhodleleni. Faka ugoloko, faka iPercocet, faka lo muthi. Uma kwenzekile waphumelela thola i-passion flower. Fake. Thola i-passion flower. I-passion flower is very good. It's very good passion flower kumuntu onesifo sokuwa. Then faka i-passion flower. Kodwa nalo ngizongikhumbuza niyawazi bhala lapha ama-comment niyawazi lo muntu faka lo muthi lo. Lo muthi lo uma usuyawubeka uyeke 6 to 8 weeks. Mase unikeza umuntu. Usunikeza umuntu. Yilo muthi ke ngiwakhayo. Ngenhloso ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngibone labantu belapheka. Njengamanje lo muthi ngiwuconcentrateile uyozulunge ngomhla ka-25 August 2025. Abantu kusukela ngomhla ka-25 ngizobe sengibalapha isifo sokuwa hayi kodwa abalimalayo. I repeat, bahlukana ka-3 mina ngizobe ngilapha laba abawu2 kuphela. Laba abawu3 nje lo ke ngikwazi umelapha, laba abanye ngizokwazi ukwelapha. Understand, ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibelaphe lapha. Isifo kube ngenza ukuthi lento isifo sokwa singene kuyona si understand. And then after I do have a machine ofuna ngufaka ekhanda. Kunama colors engiwadingayo lapha na kubona ukuthi ureacta kanjani yena kuona. Kunomshini ofuna ngufaka oyi-cupping machine, kunomshini ofuna ngufake acupuncture, electro-acupuncture. Lo muntu usuke na 1500. Suke no 1500 bese ngiyamenza-ke lento. Bengenza ukuthi uyi-understand lento lokuthi sifo sokuwa into elaphekayo. And babudokotela uyithatha very serious ukuthi ke ayike ilapheka. Babudokotela babesizibajabule ugcwele ku-TikTok ibonakala ehamba ngePajero kanti yena uyadelela. Angeke ngiyichaze lento lena. I was in Swaziland driving a Pajero that is more than 380,000 kilometers. I-mileage yayo. 4x4, fully 4x4 Pajero Mitsubishi. Ayinama electronics ngaphakathi, ine heater, ine aircon, nje zonke lento ejwayelekile emotweni zikhona, but lento ezi-advanced lezi ezinye zikhona kule moto azikho. And ngishuthile ke le moto kade ngise Garden Court Hotel, bengibhake ngase Edward Hotel. Ngishutha le moto ngathi ngihamba ngale moto ke le, ngihamba ngale moto, and then le moto ngihambile ke ngayo. Because izinto engifuna ukuzithola nje kuyona ngoba phela akunabantu ngempela namanje abasakhokhela ama Mitsubishi. Ngifuna bazi ukuthi mekukhokhela iMitsubishi, are you paying for what? What are you paying for? I must come up with the data. When we don't have time to accumulate that data because you are working, we don't have time to drive in bad terrains. We don't have time for that. And then ngayithatha-ke le moto ngijikijela eSwazini. ESwazini-ke bakithi phumane kulo mqondo wena. ISwazini niyitshethwe niyayazi. Awuyazi eSwazini njengoba uhleli la uhleli khona. Awuyazi and uyafisa ukuyazi uyazi. Hamba uye eWukwini. Ufuna ukutesta imoto yakho ukuthi ayenze lento. Hamba uye eWukwini. Hamba uye eWukwini. Yila uzoyibona khona ukuthi imoto yakho iyatesta. Hamba uye emakhosini ungene ngase engculwini. Ushone phansi uyokhuphuka lapha entabeni ungene ematsheni uyibona imoto yakhe yasebenza yini. Ngiyithathile ke iMitsubishi. It's an old van. I repeat, it's an old van. Thatha iMitsubishi ngoyifaka ematsheni lapha. Khona indawo ekuthiwa uMzimba Mountain. Ibihamba lapho kulo matsheke lawo. And I did a video. Kade ngilapha na ilapha kulezo ntaba lezo. Barely ezinye imoto ebona awu understand imoto engayishintshayo I drove it 1 year ngaya ngayo lapha ya kwashunqa intulo ngazoyibona ingakwazi ukuhamba a brand new car bengilisho igama la ngoba izolimala i-brand yami a brand new van ngahamba ngalo 1 year next year unyaka olandela ngalishintsha kade ngaze yibonde nje mina to be embarrassed I ended up being told ngoba manje ayikwazi ukuhamba kule terrain le ekhuluma nge-brand new car inama electronic inayo yonke into mehluko ukuthi ungene 4x4 then ngathatha lena hayi imbongolo leyana yabona bekhuluma ngembongolo leyana it's a pure warthog yenza lento ungayishiya emgaqweni kodwa ufuna wazi ukuthi entabeni izofika ikushiye ematsheni izofika ikushiye ungaqhama Lamborghini ufike udlule kodwa entabeni izofika ikushiye and izokushiya kamnandi cruiser ngo60 ixamalaza ngo30 km/h izidlula idundubale phezulu tested and approved. Engisho ukuthi whoever drives that van, Nissan Mitsubishi Pajero. It is a van that if when usafuna imoto, number 1, imoto engantshontshwa. Go for Nissan Mitsubishi Pajero. They don't steal those vans. Number 2, it does not break down. I proven otherwise. Konke engengitshela yena, engoyitshela abantu baka Mitsubishi. I proven otherwise ukuthi why ngithi mina it does not break down. It warns you and i-warning yakhona ikunika almost 1000 kilometers with that warning light and it still drives. Mina I drove a Porsche Cayenne. I don't care what bazothini. Drove Porsche Cayenne. It never gave me any low mileage. Yafa manje ML mode ya breakdown ML mode ngo7000 isuka le izala flatbed project nike isikhathi ukuthi njalo unikhuluma nekol content ihlanisa leceleni indazi kathi Porsche ifa manje ibuyile eceleni kuphelile engisho ukuthi Nissan Mitsubishi you guys got a van now ngizoyithatha futhi your van taking your van now to mountains of Lusikisiki. I'll give you the footage yale van liyana. We need to prove it ngoba kunabantu ngempela ababreaka ngemoto zabo but le moto zabo akaze sizithi kanje kancane. Sikaze sizithi kancane. Funa ke sizibheke ukuthi besithi kanje kwenzekani. Mesithi kanje kwenzekani. This is Pajero Mitsubishi mileage 380,000 kilometers esiuhambile but the engine gearbox it literally kicks. Yeah, this is Babu Dotel, Babu says, watch a little fun, Jacket, Zulaman, sang sulfur. Yeah, ben we see temper, Lamantoba. Yeah, moto. Indala impela kodwa khona umunye umuntu ongenamandla okuthenga enye imoto. Osacabanga ukuthi yena mase kunemoto, nginemali ngothenga imoto ezinjengoba Dotela. No, don't do it. Keep your van is right. There's nothing wrong with your van. There's nothing wrong with your van. Nothing wrong. Keep it. But Margaret, ake sikhulume lento. Sikhulume at an understanding. Soon in South Africa, you will need an oxygen tank to breathe because of your suffocation. The poverty, it is polluting our breath air. Umoya esiwuphefumulayo usuyinhlupheko. Angaze mina ngiye endaweni uma ngifika khona ngizoqhuma isitamkoko kunuka amasimba kuphela. That was in India. We are now going to smell poverty emoyeni. Just now in South Africa we will carry our oxygen tanks in order to breathe because of the poverty. Poverty will be smelling everywhere. kuzoshaya isikhathi sokuthi umuntu oshoniwe sijabulela ukuthi okungcono plate lakhe asizophuma. We will start to celebrate the death of a family member because of the poverty. Why? I'll have a place to sleep in his room. Why? I'll be able to sleep in the bed. Why? Now there'll be no plate for him or her. We as a society, if a system yethu that we are following, of which is capitalism, does not work for us, why don't we consider other models of governance? Because lena esikuyona njengamanje capitalism, believe me, it is towing us somewhere else where we were never planning to say kuyona. Believe you me, there are so many people who are rich, but their bank balance is nothing. There's no money there. But they're very rich. The cars that they drive, they're filthy rich. But my bank account are mali. That will make people poor. Because government need money in order to tax people. Can't tax people about the money that you cannot do. What has happened in Greece? Greece, I understand, Greece, umuntu wakhona oyi-pensioner in Greece. A pensioner in Greece earns 55,000 rand. A pensioner. The way the life is so expensive in Greece. In America, a pensioner earns about 48 to 52,000 a month. Ngizama ukuyibuka ukuthi ke we as South Africans, we are making mistakes each and every day. We keep on making mistakes. That will shape people to be poor in a sense that akekho uzokwazi ukuphila unless abantu bezovuma ukuthi let's do what can help us. Because let's look at the population of South Africa. We are not even 100 million. But we are struggling as if we're in Ethiopia. Ethiopia, they've got vast number of people, but they're not struggling like the way we do. Abanayo inkinga ukuthi kunabantu abahlele emhlabeni wabo. Go to India, go to China and look at their population by far. They are not struggling the way we do. Into esilimazile mentality yethu, we imported what we don't need. I repeat, we have imported what we don't need. Our youth are in entertainment industry a lot. Our children, at the age of 8 years to 15 years, they can dance like you cannot believe. They can dance. They dance, abantwana. Hamba uye China. 8 years to 15 years, they're doing electronic and mathematics and engineering. They're in physics. They can't dance. They cannot dance. Sibanjwe umoya ongekho, umoya wenjabulo, umoya we-entertainment. Umoya we-entertainment, we have to inspect it and start to investigate it. Where does it come from? Because that entertainment on its own is a model of retiring poor. I repeat, umoya we-entertainment is a model of helping you to retire poor. We got numbers of actors by far that we can prove. They have nothing at the age of 50, at 60. We got soccer players who are entertaining us playing soccer. Today they've got nothing. We got musicians. We used to love their songs. Today they died having nothing. Michael Jackson, where he died, he was no longer happy because of that spirit has closed down on him. By far, entertainers are not winning. We are pushing our children to dance, to sing nonsense. No, let's start to look at things that will ending up each and every person carrying oxygen tank because we are no longer able to breathe on our own because poverty is everywhere. I noticed most of my friends by far, engikhule nabo, I distance myself ey'ntweni akade sizenza. Sadlala ukarati, sasenza ukuthi, sadlala induku, sasenza ukuthi, induku ngayidlala kakhulu ya. Sadlala induku, sadlala ukarati, sasenza zonke izinto ezazilibazisa. I distanced myself and they continued with that. I'm such a stupid person. Anginawo mina ingane ngaphandle. But abantu besikhula nabo, they've got children nangaphandle. Athi hayi phela Zuma uyazi nginengane nangaphandle ngoba baqhubeka uziphi bangawuvala. And I stopped it because I refused to carry an oxygen tank in order to breathe because poverty is smelling everywhere. And abangani bami, out of 10, I repeat, abantu engikhule nabo, calling them my friends, they are all poor. Out of 10, not even one has made it. Not even one has made it. Because kunento bona bangayishintshanga. Today they're all looking for oxygen tanks because they are now breathing poverty. You should not supposed to be like that. Do something about lengane yakhe edansa kangangale endlini. Fuze nikeza ipuzzle, ihlanzele ipuzzle before idance. Nikeza ipuzzle before idance. Lento lokuthi iyayicula lendlini qoqonke lamagogo kawo ashaya ngawulithatha ulahle lapha. Istudio sokwenzana amasimbi indaba estudio. I repeat, indaba estudio in nonsense endlini. Angeke ngakho umuzi mina ngukhokhele ibond ka 18,000 elinye ikamera noliphendula libe studio. I'm expecting you to graduate in chemistry. Ungitshela ukuthi uyocula landela iphupho. Iphupho lokwenzani? Elangenzani lo phupho? Lezi zinto lezi we have to talk about it because it delays our community. Trap our community. Abantu bakithi bagcina bangazi benzani because babanjwe into engenamsebenzi. We are all going to carry our oxygen tank in order to breathe because poverty it will be everywhere. It will be everywhere. Njengoba ngenze example, ngenza nje example. Angisho kubafana, even amantombazane engeke sazwana nawo ngaayina kwamanye. Not even one who's rich. Not even one who has made it to life. You don't have to be rich, but made it to life. Let your children thrive. Thrive. Let your children thrive. Let your grandchildren be educated by you as umkhulu noma ugogo. Your grandchildren. I'm responsible for that. I'm responsible for that. Let your wife be happy because awuzalisanga ngaphandle. I'm responsible for that. Let your mother and father, if they're in need, they must call you and you must provide. If they're in need, don't spoil them. Don't not spoil the parents. You'll regret it. Yeah, this is Babu Dr. Babu says about just now, we have to start to look for cheaper oxygen tanks because we'll need one. You need one. But slowly and slowly and slowly, I'm bringing what is called slowly and slowly and slowly, I'm bringing what is called umthwebulo. You need umthwebulo. Ukuthi I have to finish it and then start to give it out. Ngikhandela umthwebulo okuthwebula izinto wena esezahamba, ukuthwebula izinto wena obuzilwela, ukuthwebula izinto wena obungasazi uphinda ube nazo. Sikhindela ngilungisela ke lo mthwebulo loyo. Ngikhiphe ngamabomu mhla ka1 ngikhiphe isheshangeni ishoshozela le mali. Into eyenza le nto ishoshozela ke into ehluke ngalelo 3000 rand. But futhi ngithebe ngilakha ngalichaza futhi ukuthi angilakhelanga bonke abantu. Ngakhele labo abathi bona bangakwazi ukuthi bake kuphela isonto engayenzanga isex. Simple as that. Ngakhele labo abathi banamakhadi asema bank period that we can do. Ishesha ngene ishoshozela ke lelo. Ake singene kwi topic yami. Ngikhandele umsebenzi lana ngathi angiwulindele umsebenzi ukubuka ngoba iBolt yabaphezulu kakhulu. iHailing yabaphezulu kakhulu. Ake sikhulume ke lento ka Bolt. Ake sikhulume lento ka Bolt. Mase sibheke ukuthi who is wrong, who is right. Lento iyaqala yini ukwenzeka, lento ayiqali yini ukwenzeka. Okay, fine. Into efuna uyibheke ukuthi wena uloku khala ngokuthi uDlamini inkomo zakhe zidla insibini yakho. Amasimu endaweni aphelile inkomo zikaDlamini zidla emasimini, imbuzi zaDlamini zidla ezivandeni zenu. Umbuzo ukuthi what makes isivande sihluke kunedlelo? Awungizwa ukuthi ngithini? What makes insimu ihluke kunedlelo? Edlela inkomo. Inkomo ibona kanjani ukuthi idlelo noma insimu le? Ibona umbila yaqhubeka idlela inkomo itshela ukuthi seyidlelo. Amasimu ayabiyelwa. Izivande ziyabiyelwa. Abantu abasebenza ezivande ayongizwa wena. Abantu abasebenza ezivandeni kunendlela abagqoka ngayo. Kunabantu abelusa entabeni. Listen to me carefully. The Department of Transport has to be blamed ngazo zonke lento ezenzeka kuma e-hailing, ruling out uBolt, ngazo zonke into ezenzeka kwi-public transport, so-called meter taxis or e-hailing. Why am I saying that? Hamba uye Ghana, hamba uye Benin, hamba uye Nigeria, hamba uye Kenya, hamba uye Kigali, uyobuka lento le ngamehla seduzane nje. Hamba uye India, uyobuka lento ngamehla seduzane. Hamba uye Qatar, ngamehla seduzane ubuke lento engizokutshela yona. Wonke ama e-hailing vans or taxis, they've only got one color. One color. And then uma iza kuwena i-Uber noma anything lo ibizile lo moto ibizile, you are not looking at the color, you are looking at the number as well. Inumber yakhona iwu4 digits, 3 digits. Sometimes ngiyayishow ekhaya route izingaki. 4 digit, 3 digits, 4 digit, 3 digits. Inumber zakho mhlawumbe u15 16 inumber ezayo imoto ithathayo. Abantu abaningi base South Africa they never notice ukuthi kunento engiyenza mina lento part of intelligent. Imoto engizohamba ngayo mengifika in a foreign country njengoba ngiya eMalawi nje ngathi ngifika nje eMalawi imoto engahamba ngamshutha udriver ngashutha nanemoto sihamba ngayo making a joke kanti mina ngenza i-data capturing ngayiposta sometimes ku Facebook yangena ku timeline. Anything happened to me isivese ku Facebook kwami ungangiphuza zonke iziyalo nemfanelo zakho zibe ngakuwena. Yangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Zibe ngamina ngolahlela ama-forgery ngibuka uthatha ngiyazi uthatha ulayilayo ngoba vese amaqiniso asesemkhathini. Ngesikhathi wena usuphika ukuthi asikaze imthathe lo muntu mina ngingena ku Facebook kwami ngiyakureveala ngithi akuwena yena kuyona imoto yakho endle akuyona imanager yakho le. Ngoba anytime mengizothatha imoto mina ngishutha imanager ngishuthe udriver ngishuthe imoto as if I'm making a joke. Angisuke ngenza ijoke mina angisebenze ngenxhaka. Mina ngilanda ngokweqiniso lamakhwezikhwezi. Ngisuke ngibashutha ngoba ngenza i-data capture mase ngiyibeka lento ku Facebook ngipost ku Facebook. Ngesikhathi nenihleka ninithi kanti mina ngiyazi ukuthi le nto iyiqiniso ukuthi uma kukhonto ezeka ngaloso mina ngiyokuprove ukuthi wena ngathatha uwena ngisala phayana. Engisho ukuthi ke i-South African government iphutha likuyona. All these e-hailing companies they should have one color. Asikwazi ukuthi kungama imoto eduze kwakwami kanti kume abantu engingabazi. Kufuna sibone ngokhala nje omile ukuthi nanti iqiniso. Nanti iqiniso. Imoto ethwele umuntu ufune ibe ukhaloko esazi ukuthi lama colors lawo either blue and white, yellow and black. I'm not telling them which color to use, but we must have one color that is separated only for ama-meter taxis, ama-Ubers, ama-Bolt, amani in ziningi lezi zinto yabo. Kodwa you need to have one color and one distinct number. Engemuva, engaphambili, engapha inumber ewu4 or 5 digit but ebold. Ongeke uzuyiswele ngoba manje lo baba lokho okukhuluma la uthi bamenzana kaBolt bangamenzana kaBolt angiyikhulumi nalo but akasiniki uGrey. Yawubamba lo akasiniki uGrey ngoba lapha nokuba uhulumeni bekuvumile ukuthi le moto before zingene emgaqweni they must have discipline. One color that allows them to be identified from the distance. Ngalo ndlela ngeke ukwazi ukwenza ubugebengu ngalezo moto. Ngeke uzokwazi. eIndia masifikile ungene ehotela uyobuza iprice ushiye zonke izikhwama zakho ubuye imoto isekhona. Ngobani umeke wahamba wasuka engena nje kunama camera vese ama camera seyibonile imoto yeke number plate abona umbala ukuthi wehle kwi meter tax number plate inumber yabo ibhalwe le window so bold so huge ibhalwe ngemuva ibhalwe yonke indawo ibhalwe nje yonke ayikho indlela ukuthi njoba ungenela ngaphakathi usengabala nempahla zakho akakwazi ukwenza lokho. eKhathao ungena ngaphakathi ehotela udle wenze yonke into ahlale parking akulinde. eIndia ungena ngaphakathi emall uhlale 2 hours akulinde nesikhwama sakho lapha yana akenzi lutho because ubanjwe yini iziyalo uthi nansi imoto iwu2 color nansi inumber le eyilock number yakhe hayi number plate lena eyilock number akakwazi ukuyishintsha. Engisho ukuthi uhulumeni mhlazane sefuna ukuthi lento iphele ingaphinde sibe nenkinga enjalo. Number 1 ama meter tax sizokwazi ukwabona lena i meter tax lena i-hailing lena ikhumbi njengoba ubona amakhwantameni alo ambala loyana lena ikhumbi lena ibhasi kamasipala njengoba ubona amabhasi kamasipala le eThekwini enombala owodwa yiki noma kuthiwa unethenda wena ukufaka amabhasi kodwa ufuna uncanyiswe emaqiniso ukuthi ufuna neyakhe ibhasi uyipende kanje thina sehlulwa yini ukupersecute uhulumeni ukuthi uyabona yini ukuthi ingane zethu ziyalimala uyabona yini ihlobo ziyalimala ngokuvumela imoto ezingaziwa zigcwala emgaqweni in colors they must have colors but one color not a sticker like amakhumbi zipendwe ngombala ozovuma ukuthi uyibone zilandelana ukuthi lawa ama e-hailing lawa if kukhona okwenzekayo siyazi i-e-hailing lemila phaya umuntu olimalile kulo e-hailing akakukhumbula inumber plate ukhumbula u4 digits kuphela ukhumbula u4 digits kuphela engisho ukuthi lento yethu we are overexcited ngento engenamsebenzi kokunye but we have to speak the truth ukuthi if uhulumeni esekwenzile lokho we will never hear anything like this again. I'm not supporting anyone but I'm challenging ukuthi Department of Transport iyona evuma le inkinga sibe nazo sisazoba nazo ke asicini sisazoba nazo ke it happened lonto kuba umuntu ofluent ku social media but sisazoba nazo abanye banazo abazireportanga that we cannot tolerate that kufuze ukuthi noma ngabe ukhohlwe ifoni emotweni ukhohlwe isikhwama esithize emotweni wazi ukuthi uma uya lapha nofuna imoto ewunamba bani bazokuthetha imoto namba bani ake siyimemeze bayithole lo moto le simple as that. In South Africa, we are at risk because the Department of Transport is neglecting. We cannot be asking everything. And this is Babu Daughter, Babu says, these vans, these cars, they must have one color with significant isolating. Yaboni Pasca Maspal. Kufika kube ibhasi ibe nombala o 2 colors. Mrs. Abane number. A isolate yayo, a lock number yayo, a trip number yayo. Ihlukile kune number plate. We need something similar to that as well. E-hailing, so that we'll be safe once again. We need to support the business, but we can no longer tolerate. Myself, I'm hating to drive. Sometimes ngifuna ukuyodla emhlanga langele kule hotel ngelikhohle ile hotel engihlala nokudla kubiza ngelikhohle hotel but inside the hotel. I need to go there. I can take an Uber, but I cannot because I don't know what am I risking. I can't ask my wife, take an Uber, take an Uber because I'm not coming, because it's not safe. We cannot kill our own business. Let government intervene by putting things that are right. Thank you very much. This is Babu Daughter.